Hey y'all, it's Nicole and Travis.
Hello.
And we're gonna do a little picnic hike thing, maybe a hike, I don't know.
Yeah, maybe see the sunset.
But we decided to ride up to the parkway and enjoy a little getaway on this Thursday afternoon. And there's like nobody here, it's kind of crazy. So, yeah. What?
Fun tip.
All right, well, let's go. Look.
Did you see the dog poo bag back there?
I did, first thing I saw.
Irresponsible.
This looks worse than what I remember.
So we're trying to get see a sunset this evening. Parkway is not crowded today, that's for sure. Great. View. Lane Cove Viaduct, Bacon Heights. Nicole, you having fun?
Yeah, are you?
Yep.
Why are you way down here?
Because that's how I always hold it.
Y'all, there's nobody up here. We never get Rough Ridge alone. There was a couple out over there, getting some, looks like engagement pictures or something. But typically, this place, you pass so many people. We passed the engagement couple and then a group of like 3 college kids. So really, we have this whole thing to ourselves. It's like amazing. So we're gonna enjoy it, even though it's a little chilly. But we're gonna watch the sunset over Grandfather Mountain.
A little windy up here today. What was it? 50. It was 71 at the bottom of the mountain and what? 52. Yeah, it was kind of chilly.
It's gotta be colder than that now. I'm getting cold.
It was windy.
Yeah. Well, and we're at the top of the mountain. So.
Yeah. See it? See it? Yeah, I didn't want to bring the dogs on this one. It's kind of a little
short, stormy, couldn't have made it.
Yeah, the trail's kind of narrow too, so.
And Elliot's done it before, but I'm glad we didn't bring him today because he's just so clumsy right now. I don't know about these rocks, but it does look like since the last time we've been up here, it does look like they have carved steps into the rocks and made like grooves so it's not as slick. But it's definitely called Rough Ridge for a reason, because the terrain is a little rough. So,
but it's an easy hike.
I wouldn't say easy. I would say moderate.
Moderate. But it's kind of the best views around here.
I thought it was easier today than I've ever done it. I mean, this is what our 3rd time doing it.
Yeah, I think because it's kind of like a cold spot. Nothing's fully growing in yet.
Yeah, but also I think because I've been working with my trainer and stuff.
Yeah, definitely.
Since November, it was a lot easier to like.
All those squats and stuff helped you walk right up the mountain. Yeah. Cool.
Not the shoulders though, Anna. Not my shoulders. The shoulders did not help me climb this mountain.
Might help me going down there. glad I brought you a shirt.
Yeah, thank you, because...
You kind of look like a conehead.
Well, it's because I got a bun up here. My ears are cold.
It is a little chilly.
I didn't pack enough things. I brought food, I brought my emergency supplies, but I did not bring enough clothes.
I guess who did? Me. I'll look out for you.
Shocker. Here's the thing though. Let me tell y'all this. When we go on trips, it doesn't matter where, he packs more than I do. I have to go through his suitcase and pull it out. He will pack every single piece of clothing that he owns. Kid
True.
you not.
You never know, you might be stuck there. Did you say you want to do it? Or ending?
The outro?
Whatever.
Yeah. So
Outro.
let's do the outro.
Outro.
So what do you say?
Later, dudes.
So,
I guess
all
that's
right,
gonna
y'all.
wrap up our trip today.
Yeah, thanks for hanging out with us here on Rough Ridge up in the Parkway near Blowing Rock and Grandfather Mountain.
Yep.
We hope y'all enjoyed this adventure. Sorry for all the wind, but
It is what it is. It's
Yeah.
the mountains.
so make sure you hit subscribe so you can keep keeping up with our adventures here on the Leisure and Leashes YouTube channel. And what do they need to do, Travis?
Like, ring that bell.
Yep. All right, y'all. We will see you on the next adventure.
Bye.